Hi, my name is Miss Heffron, and I'm here to talk to you about the academies at Huntingtown. We call this a value-added approach to high school, and hopefully by the end of this quick little talk, you'll understand why. So the academies are these small learning communities where students can explore their passions. Imagine if your student got up in the morning and was excited to go to school because they got to delve into something they really found interesting. Now, I can't promise this would be every day, but we're hoping to link for students what they're learning to what they're passionate about so they can start to see the benefit in this big overall picture of what's going on. So we have an Arts Communications and Global Studies Academy, Business Management and Finance, Career Plus, which has options for CTA and NJROTC. There's a STEM Academy, and then there's the Teacher Academy of Maryland. There's really a fit for almost any student, and we're going to show you a little later on that there's plenty of time in their schedule for students to explore some electives and find their passion. And wouldn't it be nice if they could start exploring their passion in high school, where they don't have the college price tag for electives? So the benefit to this is there's this value added approach because we're adding on experiences that the students might not experience if they just went class by class without making a connection. The academy model is really recognized by colleges and universities, and they're starting to really appreciate seeing that on the transcript. The academies challenge students, and colleges and universities are grateful to see students start exploring their passions and their desires. It energizes, engages students. We'll write a recommendation letter. There's a graduation cord, and then we're connecting school for our students. We're making it make sense for them. So here's a 4-year schedule. Everything in pink are the required graduation courses. So if you see, even if you jump in your freshman year and just do all graduation requirements, by the time you hit your 12th grade year, even with the academy electives in yellow, there's plenty of choices for our students. They have time in their schedule to start exploring what's important to them or things they're curious about. And we really believe that this makes happier students, and happier students learn more, they actually absorb the information, and it's just an overall better experience for everyone. So we're going to send out a registration email, so be on the lookout for that. Incoming ninth graders can register in the fall, but anyone already registered at Huntingtown High School can register now. Students can join multiple academies. They can also easily drop and switch academies. With the email that you will get about registering for this, there'll be a link to our course catalog so you can explore the different academies, the different options, their concentrations within each academy. So I know this was just a quick overview of our academy model here at Huntingtown, but please feel free to reach out with any questions. My name is Miss Heffron, and you can find me through the Calvert net. Thanks. Bye.